Hey, I'm Ryan with One of the Discovers, and today we're going to be looking at the Aqara U100 Smart Lock. I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, seeing what it comes in here, and let's check it out. So this in particular has support for Apple Home Key and Apple Home in general, as well as a fingerprint sensor and Zigbee support, auto lock, and up to like 8 months of battery life. So I'm excited to check this out. I've been having issues with my Schlage Smart Lock. So excited to try this and integrate this instead. So first we have the interior piece, which goes on the interior part of the door, a little bit smaller than the current Schlage one that we currently have. Then we have the exterior part of the door. It's actually pretty hefty in terms of like definitely metal construction. And you can see that you have the keypad on the front with the fingerprint reader, and then you can actually slide the bottom down to get to the keyhole for manual unlock. Next, we have 2 keys that come with the box. Then we have 2 pairs of AA batteries, some sort of tool. Then we have 4 sets of bolts. Then we have some internal pieces for the door. So we have some screws for one side. Then we have the deadbolt mechanism for the other side. And then a plate for the deadbolt mechanism. Then it includes a guide for cutting and making a hole if your door doesn't already have a hole for the installation. And then a link to the user manual. So no explanation to exactly what each product is for. For that, you'll have to go to downloading their app using their Aqara Home app for the user manual. So something I did use this pry bar tool for was actually there's a notch right here. You can see the 4 AA batteries. Something that's nice as well is on the bottom of the outside exterior is an emergency USB-C power supply. So if the lock did die, you could charge it up from the exterior, and that's a nice backup. So I hope this helps show you what comes in the box, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'm excited to dive into this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.